Meal planning can feel overwhelming, but I believe it's a necessary step to making dinner time feel more manageable. So following this 3-step system will set you up for success when it comes to that dreaded question, what am I making for dinner tonight? Step number 1, the Sunday kitchen shop. Pick a time every weekend to shop your kitchen. Open your refrigerator, your cupboards, your pantry, and see what items you have on hand that you need to use up. Then plan to incorporate those ingredients into your meal plan for the upcoming week. I love doing this. I think it saves me time, saves me money, and makes meal planning that much easier. Step 2, seek inspiration. Once you know what ingredients you want to incorporate, think about recipes that your family already likes or recipes that you've seen that you'd like to make and add those into your meal plan. I like looking for inspiration on Instagram, recipe blogs, Pinterest, even good old-fashioned cookbooks. That's where I get my inspiration, and that's what helps me plan my meals for the upcoming week. Step number 3, schedule recipes and groceries. Once you know what you're gonna make, write it down. Whether that's on your family calendar or whether you print out the recipes specifically and put them in a binder like I do, make sure you have them written down somewhere. Then, for me, when it comes to groceries, I am a diehard when it comes to ordering my groceries online and either having them delivered or me picking them up. I typically open 2 tabs on my computer, one for my local grocery store and one for a big box store, and I place the order online. It makes things so much easier, and I will never go back to the good old-fashioned way of grocery shopping. One of the things that makes meal planning most manageable for me is thinking about my recipes in 5 categories: sheet pan, skillet, 1 pot, 5 ingredients or less, and bowl recipes. I typically pick 1 type of those recipes from each of those categories every week, and it helps me pull together a recipe lineup that feels new and exciting and like I'm not making the same thing over and over again. And that's it, meal planning in 3 simple steps. Shop your kitchen, seek inspiration, and schedule your recipes and groceries. Follow those simple steps and you'll be meal planning like a pro in no time.